Hello everybody, welcome to our NEET Physics by our own radio channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Work, Energy and Power. Work, Energy and Power. Okay, so the question is, a bullet from a gun is fired on a rectangular wooden block with a velocity u. The velocity of the bullet is u. Okay, so when the bullet travels 24 centimeter through the block along its length horizontally, the velocity of the bullet becomes u by 3. From u, it becomes u by 3. It means what? As the bullet travels inside the wooden block, its velocity decreases. Okay, that's all. Then it further penetrates into the block in the same direction before coming to rest exactly at the other end of the block. So continuously the velocity decreases and finally the bullet becomes rest exactly at the end of the block, other end of the block. The total length of the block is how much? 24 centimeter, 28, 30 meter and 27 centimeter. These are all the four options given to you. Okay, that's all. So now this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2023. Okay, how to solve this problem, sir? Let us look at the problem. Case 1, bullet reaches 24 centimeter in second. So by the equation of motion, you know that v square is equal to u square plus 2as. What is v? Final velocity of the bullet. U, initial velocity of the bullet, it has been given in the question as you said. A is the acceleration and S is the distance moved. Okay, so V is the final velocity, that is u by 3 at the 24 centimeter. The very final velocity is 0 because it becomes rest at the other end. Okay, so when it reaches 24 centimeter, the final velocity is u by 3 and the initial velocity is equal to u. A is the acceleration, but here it is deceleration. It is called deceleration. Normally, in the case of acceleration, as time passes on, velocity will increase and rate of change of velocity with respect to time is acceleration. Now, as time goes on, velocity decreases. It means what? Rate of change of velocity with respect to time is negative. So the equation becomes v square is equal to u square minus 2as because a is negative. That is why you are writing that. So minus 2as. Okay, that's all. Now we can substitute the values in this equation. S is the distance traveled, that is 24 centimeter, which is equal to, in the case of SI unit, it is 0.24 meter. You know. So substituting the values, v square, it means what? U by 3 the whole square. Final velocity u by 3. Then u square, it is the initial velocity minus 2 into as. What is S? Distance mode, that is 0.24 meter in SI units. So u by 3 the whole square means u square by 9. U square, 3 square is equal to 9. Is it not? Is equal to u square minus 2a into 0.24. Okay, that's it. So you put 2a into 0.24 to the other side, LHS, and put the remaining things to the RHS. So 2a into 0.24 is equal to u square minus u square. That is 2a into 0.24 is equal to, if you take 9 as a common factor, 9u square minus u square is equal to 8u square. So 2a into 0.24, 2a into 0.24 is equal to 8u square by 9. Rather to say 8 by 9 u square. Is it not? That's all. So let it be equation. Case 2. What is case 2? The bullet becomes rest at the end of the wooden block. So now by the equation, v square is equal to u square minus 2a. Sorry, whether it is u square plus 2as minus 2as. Not the standard equation is u square plus 2as because in this case, as the velocity, as the time passes on, velocity decreases. That is why acceleration a has the negative sign. So u square minus 2as. So v is the final velocity. What is final velocity? 0. It is 0, sir. Because at the end of the wooden block, the bullet becomes the rest. Okay, that's so. your initial velocity. Very first case will be. So 0 is equal to u square minus 2as. That is, put 2as into LHS. 2as is equal to u square. This is equation 2. Now, what is equation 1? 2a into 0.24 is equal to 8 by 9 u square. This is equation. What is equation 2? 2as is equal to u square. Now dividing equation 1 by equation 2. 2a here, 2a here gets cancelled. 0.24 divided by s. So what are those things, sir? It comes the next slide. So dividing equation by 1 by equation 2. 2a into 0.24 divided by 2a into s. What about equation 1 in the RHS? 8 by 9 u square divided by, what is RHS of equation 2? U square. So u square and u square in RHS gets cancelled. 2a and 2a in the LHS also gets cancelled. It is equal to 0.24 divided by s is equal to 8 by 9. You put s to the other side and 8 by 9 to also the other side. So s is equal to s. It is in the denominator here, it will go to the numerator. So s is equal to 0.24 into, when 8 by 9 goes to the other side, it becomes 9 by 4. Okay, that is equal to what? So 9 by 8 into 0.24 is equal to 0.27. So it becomes 0.77. So it becomes, the numerator becomes 0.3 into 9. What is that? 0.27 meter. What is 0.27 meter? Which is equal to 27 centimeter. Once again, as per the options given to you, you are converting from the SI unit to the centimeter. So 0.27 meter is equal to 27. So the total length of the block, what becomes the total length of the block, sir? Because the bullet comes to rest exactly at the other end. The distance traveled by the 27 centimeter. So the total length of the block is 27 centimeter. Option 4 is the right answer. So I already told you that this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2023. So this is a very interesting problem. We will see more problems from this chapter, work, energy and power, in our next video, next coming videos. Okay. Till then, thank you one and all. Okay.